It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONCI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was going into the day and then where it ultimately closed, I think everybody can agree that, yeah, the bulls definitely made some nice progress today. But that does lead to the very valid and logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And to best illustrate this, I want to scrunch up a charter a little bit just to kind of try to prove my point here. And that area is right here. I guess I didn't need to scrunch it up that much. There we go. At 0013. Why is 0013 such an important level? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements that are truly powerful, that have genuine strength, the price is going to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 0013. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, does something like this, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress over time. And in this case, I'm defining and quantifying the term make progress as 0013. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to talk about those because in my opinion, right now at this moment in time, the top priority is not breaking levels of resistance. The huge priority right now is just going through healthy consolidation and building higher bases, because as long as there's higher bases being built over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So no doubt about it, nice move today. Now things transition over to the question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.